Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install downloader and use this downloader to download your content. So open your browser and here you can search Eaglegate. This is a free downloader for Windows. Click on here, download for Windows, and download this software. So Eaglegate are the free software and IDM is a paid software. Now download this software. Simply click on download. Now you can see our download is complete. I'm going to open this and extract this. And install this in our PC. Now click on agree. Now click on finish. Now here you can see our Eaglegate downloader. If you want to download any video, you can download this with Eaglegate software. Now I'm going to talk about IDM, how you can install IDM in your PC. In IDM, I'm going to open IDM. Install this in your PC. Click on next. After that, you need to install crack and click on crack. Then click on finish.